Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Paper Art. I hope you all are fine. Here I am showing some different ideas of paper cards. As you can see, these are so beautiful and so amazing. These birthday cards are handmade. You can make by yourself. You can watch more tutorials on YouTube by searching birthday greet cards. If you watch my video for the first time, then please subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Please share it to your friends and family. For support us, please tell us about your choice so we made videos specially for you. You must watch video tutorials in our channel Easy Paper Art, like Valentine's Day card, birthday cards, Teacher's Day cards, and also Father's Day cards. These cards are so beautiful and so stunning, easy to make. I will be back soon with a new video and new ideas. Stay connected with us. Remember me in your prayers. Take care. Allah Hafiz viewers.